Now here's how you can assign a ringtone to contacts on Android. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, it depends on which contacts app you are using, because for example, on my Samsung phone, I have both the Samsung contacts as well as the Google contacts, but I'm going to show you both. Let's start with the orange icon for the Samsung ones. In there, I can just get inside and see the list of all of the people I have stored. So if I tap on one of them, I will have the ability to like edit this or share or whatever, but in the corner there, I have the three dots for more options. And when I click on this, I have the ability to change ringtone / vibration. So that is the whole point behind it. Like I just click on it, tap on a ringtone, and it's going to ask to allow some audio if you don't have it enabled. And you can basically pick from any of the sounds which you have in here. So some of the default options, or you can scroll through all of the stuff which you have available, right? So you can see that this is what we have. Obviously, we also have the plus button, so you can go there and import stuff from your like folder. So if you have anything stored in your like folders or in your like files app, you can import it in here too and use it as a ringtone. So this was using the Samsung Contacts app, but as I say, we also have it available in terms of like the Google Contacts, which you can get inside in a very similar process. You just go to your All Contacts section, you open up one of them in a full screen, and you can see literally the first setting there is the contact ringtone. So you can tap on it and it's going to ask you which like app you might want to use with it. So there's the built-in like sound picker made by Android, but even if you have some different application for ringtones, and for example, in my case, I have an app for wallpapers and ringtones, I can also go through that, but it doesn't really matter because I can just pick it up like that and choose whichever ringtone I want. So I hope it makes sense. I just wanted to explain the whole thing to you. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'm going to catch you in the future uploads as well.